Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will learn how to fix Frigidaire refrigerator stuck in demo mode. Demo mode is designed for store display and disable the functional cooling component. Follow these steps to exit demo mode and restore normal operation. Before starting the video, note that exact control and menu names are vary by model. Consult your model uses and share manual for model specific instruction. Let's see the step-by-step solution to how to exit the demo mode. Step 1. Identify demo mode symptoms. Display and light work, but refrigerator and freezer do not cool. And the error 7777 may be shown on some models. Step 2. Save and remove food. Transfer perishable food to a cooler with ice or another refrigerator. Keep refrigerator doors closed, then turn off refrigerator and unplug it. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. And step 4 is wait at least 5 minutes. This is required to fully disable demo mode. Step 5 plug it back in. Plug the power cord firmly back into the wall outlet. Step 6 verify cooling start. The display should not show normal temperature. You should feel cold air in the refrigerator and freezer. Set recommended temperatures. Step 7. Allow 24 hours to stabilize. A newly restart or installed refrigerator can take at least 24 hours to reach the stabilized normal temperature. Here are the recommended temperature settings. They are Frigidaire recommended settings for normal home use. A newly restart or installed refrigerator may need to 24 hours to stabilize, and if it is still so demo mode or does not to cool, you can also note the troubleshooting tips and solution. And here are the safety notes and final checklist. Let's see the final checklist. Demo mode symptoms identify this error and food removal secure and doors keep closed. Wait at least 5 minutes. Plug refrigerator back in display so the normal temperature. Cold air in the freezer and temperature set to 37 Fahrenheit. And if your problem cannot solve and 7777 code error also, so you can simply go to their official website and call on this number for more Frigidaire customer support and help. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.